Hi everyone. So my name is Paula and I'm going to show you today the home page for eZmax. So what's the information you could get on the home page? I'm going to start over here with required documents. So required documents really enables you to proactively really make sure that your files are compliant. So any given time, you want to see what are the documents that are missing on your listings and or on your deals. You go on your home page, you see over here, you click on listings, you will see the 5 listings as an example where you have documents that are missing. And then if you want to see what are those documents, you click into the file and then you'll see the details, enabling you to upload the documents that are required or sending them to your brokerage. The other information you get on your home page is unread comments. So unread comments really relates to the communications module in eZmax, where the brokerage is able to communicate any information or questions to the agent via the software, vice versa. Okay, so if you get into the habit of opening your eZmax, whether it's on your mobile app or on your desktop, doesn't matter. You do it on a daily, then you'd be able to see all these communications. In this example, there are 3 communications that are being sent to this agent. So she's able to click, see what the information is here. So as an example, please provide the lawyer's contact information. Okay, so this is for the communications. Then if you scroll down, you'd see other information such as reminder notes. This is reminder notes. So I guess the parallel would be to little post-its, sticky notes that you would put in your folders. So there is a tool that enables you to put a sticky note on your folder and you can tell the system, okay, what is the date at which you want to be reminded of any given information? And on that date, the reminder note will show up on your home page. So over here, we see that need to call bank to verify if the finance passed. Okay, so that's just an example how you could use the sticky notes. Expected closing dates, you will see them here. Conditions, so any transactions that have conditions expired or about to expire will show up here. And of course, listings that are expired or about to expire. You don't want to lose out on renewing those listings that have not sold yet. So you're notified on your home page of those listings. And then at the bottom of your page, your home page, you'll see all your real estate summaries. So that relates to any active transactions, your active listings, your deals, your draft deals, your buyer's contract, everything is there. And the last thing I want to leave you with is to show you that your main menu is basically on the left-hand side, all these different buttons. And we're going to review them on future videos or little tutorials that I'll prepare for you guys, but we'll spend quite a bit of time on the finance button because this is really a strong tool giving you information on your own financials. So your tax slips, your transaction reports, invoices that are missing that you lost that you can't find, you'll find them there. So you really have your commissions, everything is there. It's a really strong tool. So again, the intention here with eZmax is for you to learn to use it as a working tool, a daily working tool. I hope this helps, and that definitely stay tuned for other videos coming up, short and sweet to show you how to use the system. All right, thank you very much for your time. Take care. Bye.